Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel Superb Ventures with Nathan. Before this video starts, please make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos so you never miss and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video when I have it. And follow me on Instagram at Superb Ventures with Nathan _YT. Again, it is Superb Ventures with Nathan _YT. I'll have it on the screen. So today, as you can tell, it is not a gaming video, but it is going through my pencil pouch and sorting through it because I did order a new pencil pouch, which is on its way right now. And I've decided why not kind of empty out my pencil pouch with all the kind of junk and like things in there. I have like all sorts of things, but I was like, you know what? Why not make a video of this? Because I haven't made kind of like a lifestyle video or like school related in a while, so why not empty it out? And then while I'm doing this, I can kind of give you tips so you don't have like a big pencil pouch with all sorts of like things in here, because there are so many things in here that I don't even need. And my next pencil pouch that I've ordered, the new one that should be coming in very soon, it's smaller than this. It's a mesh one, so I can see through it, and it's really nice. Now, credit to my mom because she did recommend that I get the mesh one. She did help me out. But if you guys are like me, I collect a lot of pencils and all sorts of like things and like a bunch of things. It's just like random stuff that I have to get rid of. So I'm just gonna like go through this because I have like a lot of stuff. Like you guys can see, oh my gosh, that's embarrassing, but I have a lot of stuff. So I'm gonna kind of give you some tips as you come along the ride with me and as I go through my pencil pouch and sort through it. So this is like a glue stick. I think this still works. So we're gonna keep this because I need glue sticks. Glue sticks are not cheap nowadays, guys. You don't want to have to run out to the store and buy a new one every single time. This is like a kind of multicolored pen. So these are pretty like, I don't know, like powerful nowadays because it's like multiple colors in one pen. Some of it's run out of ink. I can't remember where I got this. So we're going to try to keep that. I have a pencil. I don't even use this pencil, so I'm probably just going to keep it at home. Just going to put this in the drawer now. There we go. I have this pencil, which this is really nice. Now, a lot of people, like some people, like even my classmates or whatever, sometimes I did have a couple people ask me of why I always have, especially during math tests and things like that, and certain tests, why do I always have a lead pencil, a mechanical pencil, whatever you want to call it, a regular pencil, which is like a traditional one, guess, and then an eraser. The reason why is during tests, I always recommend you, if you use a mechanical pencil like me, which I've been using one for the past probably couple years, I've been loving it. It's amazing because I don't have to like the benefit I should start off with using a mechanical pencil is you don't have to sharpen it every single time. So it is beneficial. So if you don't like sharpening your pencil every time, all you have to do is refill the lead when it runs out. Now, the lead, it happened to me once. And that's why I'm very fortunate I have this. During one of my math tests I've taken, because obviously, you know, a lot of teachers, or I think all math teachers, when you take tests, you have to show work on paper. You have to write the problems down, show work. I have this. I'm going to tell you a quick story. This pencil, it ran out of lead. Like, I think maybe like halfway through the test, it ran out of lead. But I didn't panic because there's no way that I was going to go back in my backpack during the test while the test was still out. The teacher would not let us do that. Well, most likely, I'm not. Well, if I ask, she'll probably say yes, but then, you know, it's in my pencil pouch, so most likely no. But this ran out of lead, and I didn't think it would run out of lead because I was very confident that it was going to last me, and it didn't. I'm so happy I had this little guy right here. So that's one thing I definitely learned, is always have, if you use a mechanical, now this tip will most likely only apply to people, I'm not being sexist, but only apply to people who use a mechanical pencil, especially during like tests Some teachers, you take it online and then they'll give you a piece of paper, I guess like scratch paper to show your work, and you use a mechanical pencil and then you turn it in. Always have a spare pencil because you never know, or not just math tests, but like if your teacher, if you do tests on paper in some kind of other class, your English or science class, it is really nice. Always have another pencil. You will thank yourself later on. So this is another really good tip. And having like a kind of big eraser, so because the erasers on here are pretty small too. I don't know if you guys can see, but they're pretty small. So it's really beneficial if you guys have a spare pencil during the test. Anyway, quick ramble. So these two we already said keeping. I have like a lot of like weird papers. Like I said, I have a lot of junk in here. Like red ribbon. I'll probably keep this at home. I don't need that. I have a lot of papers, like things people giving me. And sometimes like notes and stuff I just shove in here. I have like, look, I still have, so off season, but I still have this like Halloween sticker. Oh my gosh, there's like so much. I have this like double pencil. I'm gonna keep that. Okay, so things over here, I'm most likely I'm just gonna keep. I don't know what that is. Papers, throw it away. Because I'm not gonna have all the space in my next pencil pouch. This mechanical pencil. This still work? I think this one might have like glue stick. Oh, this one ran out of glue. Throw that away. I have a lot of these like this I used to get for like miles and like wristbands, so I would like wear it on. Yeah, this I got for like on my nursery when I used to like I would at that. What is this? Still work. Okay. I keep this. I might make that later on. I have a lot of like square beads in here. Well, I need my square beads, so I'm definitely keep that. I'm not gonna show this on camera because it has my school name on it, so I'll show that on camera. To reorganize this. This, oh my gosh, like guys, again, so much junk. Second tip, if you guys like get papers and like sometimes you're like in a rush or you don't have time and like you're like me where you just shove in your pencil pouch, try to like eat, if it's really important, then like maybe put it in like your another compartment, or like just put in your pencil pouch and then try to remember when you get home, like either take it, keep it, or discard it. Because I have so many people in here that I just like shove in here and it's not, don't be like me. Okay, I have like flashcards in here. Okay, seriously, funny story. This was for science. When we were taking, I think in middle school we called it like benchmarks at my school district. So it's like a exam you would take at the end of the quarter, which tested you on all the material. And our teacher made us these flashcards, 8th grade science, so we can memorize. I don't need this anymore. Actually, I might keep this for my feeling. Honestly, I'm just gonna throw this away. I don't need that much. Guys, I have so much junk in here. I don't need this. Red envelope. It's kind of red. I have so much junk in here. This lead I still have, 0.7. This is, yes, I'll definitely keep this for storing extra lead. Yes, I'll definitely keep this. That'll be handy. Oh, I have a lot of like stickers and stuff. If you guys are like me and you kind of like collect stickers, I have a lot of stickers. More junk. Some more stickers. Again, junk. Just throw it away. I have a lot of like school things. Erasers. See, I used to like collect a lot of these erasers. That definitely not going to have a popsicle stick. So when teachers, you know how some teachers, they call your name, they pull your stick, and then call your name. A bit more. Oh, scissors. Oh, this is my pair of scissors. I should definitely, I know, I need to upgrade my pair of scissors, but it's definitely something I should upgrade. Here's my squirty. I have like a lot of squirties. I'm not gonna show it because it has my school name and stuff on it. Guys, so much junk. Guys, please don't be like me and store like papers and stuff that you don't need here. You just throw it away if you have it. Oh my gosh, these are all the small erasers that I've been looking for. They were at the bottom like the entire time. I have like it's a pen I think I got in 6th grade. Does it still work? Let's try it. Oh, it still works. Okay, I can keep that. Again, I hoarded tons and tons of pencils. I can sharpen that. Oh, I have more of these. That'd be great for keeping lead. Actually, guys, another tip I have for you guys. If you guys use mechanical pencils, these are great for storing lead. So, well, these like little tubes. This is full, it says 0.7 lead, but these would be great. There's so much stuff in here. I remember making like in a class, I think. More stickers. Massive. Is this chapstick? I still have some chapstick apparently. Oh, it still works. Hold on. I'll just like wipe it down. I have some chapstick. Oh, whiteout. Definitely keep that. Pencil. These pencils are just sharpened. Oh, so much stuff. What is this? So much trash, guys. What did I think these? So much. Wow, I've cleared out a lot. Oh, these erasers. I've been looking for them. Okay. There's so much stuff, guys. Like I said, I don't even need all this stuff right there. Okay. I'm preparing. See the big difference? It's pretty light now. So now, if you guys have a pencil pouch, I got this from Target and it lasted me about 2 years. So it's pretty good. But the next one I got, it's much lighter. So. Okay. I'm always gonna have 2 regular pencils and a mechanical pencil in here with an eraser. Just in case my other one runs out, you never know. I have a big eraser. I always keep my school IDs in my pencil pouch. Now, this might not be a good idea, but it's convenient for me because sometimes I am someone who can forget easily. So sometimes especially having it on hand is very handy. So I like to have my school ID on hand. So now I have that. These erasers I will be storing. I'll try to keep one of these. Polymer eraser, that's pretty good. These stickers, if you guys are a sticker collector like me, I have a whole ton of stickers. This pencil book, scissors, these pencils I need to sharpen, bracelets from Mario. I put 1 tube, I put lead in later. Smoker apparently still works, so I can keep that. Just put things in here that you need. All the stuff in it. Whiteout. Definitely need whiteout. Okay. I think that's it. This pen. Okay, so yeah, I got rid of so much stuff. So yeah, just see so much better. Just keep stuff that you know you need. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye, everybody.